Hi, I'm welcome to Witchcrafty. I've been meaning to make more flat felt plushies, and upon request, I thought I'd make some Studio Ghibli themed plushies. I decided to make everyone's favourite fire demon Calcifer from Howls Moving Castle, but I'm really into the idea of making some flat felt plushie sets from movies like a No Face and Haku set from Spirited Away. Here's a list of everything I used, pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt and is the second link in the description. Make sure to not add any seam allowance as blanket stitch crafts don't need the additional fabric. The first thing you need to do is use a blanket stitch applique to join the orange flame to the red flame. Then use the same technique to join the yellow flame to the centre of the orange flame. Using a reference image, arrange the face pieces so you know roughly where you want them to be placed, and sew the mouth on so it's the lower part of the yellow flame. Take both eye pieces and sew them a little above the mouth, where you arranged them earlier. After that, sew the pupils in the centre of each eyepiece. Sew the tongue piece so it's centred at the bottom of the mouth. Take the second red flame and orange flame and sew the orange flame to the centre, making sure that this is the way that it mirrors the other piece. Repeat the same with the yellow flame that we did for the first side. Place both pieces together so that the applique faces up and begin the blanket stitch around the red pieces. When you're nearly at the end, stuff the plush to give it shape and then continue the blanket stitch until you're finished. And that is how you make a Calcifer plush. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!